Hey folks, I'm going to open this package. I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel. Open new package. Today I got Topps Baseball 2021 Series 1. Most people's stats were not that great. I think it was like 60 game series. Looking for the exclusive Kobe Bird highlight card. Only at Target. So I got it at Target. So it's Topps um, anniversary, I guess, this year or something, or last year. Who knows. But so I'm going to open this for the first time. You can tell I haven't opened it at all. I'm very limited what I can get cards from right now because the whole pandemic and all these card stores around this area is very limited. Maybe I'll go back to the Bay Area, find more places, or I really don't want to go to Walmart because I hate showing my receipts. So this one, how many cards? I didn't really. Be interesting. Let's see what comes in. Over $10 saving inside. Let's see, it's worth saving $10. So I open. Got stuff sticks on me. So opening it, crank. So it comes with one cascade. Comes a sticker. Ooh, mine got a bunch of stickers, I guess. Oh, I get this $2 off next to expires. Well, I got a bunch of stickers, $22. So maybe I'll use that for a future buying cards. Let's see what's inside. I really don't know much about players, mostly with the Giants or A's or, you know. So it's 14 cards per package, what the package looks like. Some young man on the cover. Let's see. For an idea of the cards. Maybe my luck could be autograph or something worth money. Oh, I see a Tampa Giants. Joe, oh yeah. Let me see here. Danny Santana, I know this guy. I may not. 20 home runs, 2019. That's what it looks like. Maybe this is what that card looks like inside. But I should get in the tripod. Try to look for the cards, see any players I know. I'll show you fine perks. Future Star. Got a Future Star guy here. With the Rays. I remember he used to go to the Devil Rays when they first came. Well, I think they're one of the worst stadiums. They've never been there, but I heard it's one of the worst baseball stadiums ever. Junior. Not much this guy. Well, this guy, I don't know, maybe do Ronald Andre Jr. This guy, I think got beaned one time. He was kicking the team's butt, and then he got beaned. Hitting too many home runs. He suffered like an elbow surgery or something. I seen that on YouTube. I don't know about this guy. Below. Kobe Blower. Trey below. I think it's the card to look for. I think the Dodgers. I gotta look see this. Yeah, it's kind of like I think the card to be looking for. Oh, Mike Trout autograph. Woo! This is a good one, Mark Trout. This guy could be definitely a future Hall of Famer. But on a good pile. Let me see here. Detroit. I don't know this guy. This guy, Jared Bart. He's supposed to be the future catcher when Posey retires. So they have a lot of good things about this guy. But he'll, Posey stays for a long time. Yeah, we're hear a lot of things about this young man in the future. So this is kind of cool. Gotta look it up. I think it's autograph. Autograph. Top baseball. Kind of cool, old-fashioned style. I think the autograph. I gotta look this up. Is it T52 size 27? I'm sure that's memorized or no, that's different. So that's kind of cool. Look at it. Good pile. Okay, let's see the 21. Oh, when you do this, be careful, man. Or girl. Ooh. Aaron. Oh. Check this baby out. Congratulations. Anniversary. That's on one package. Look at that. Hank Aaron, he just died. Hall of Famer. Woo. Oh, that's cool. 20. Oh, that'd be cool. 27th anniversary. Congratulations. Topps anniversary local packs card from 21 Topps baseball series. That's awesome. That goes in a good pile. Hank Aaron, yeah, for a while he had the most home runs ever. Very decent human being. Kept himself. People didn't really know about much until he got closer to Babe Ruth's record. Then later on, Bonds took it, and big controversy about that. I'm not really get into it because everybody's still talking about it. I'm tired of hearing it all the time. With the light, let's have the light. I hate this. Let's have the light. I'm gonna be able to do this one of these days. What do I got here? Jesus, Jose. Don't know much about this guy. That our package, the second package I opened. Yeah, the sun just tricks on me. LG. I don't see anybody. No Giants. Anniversary card. It's my anniversary card. In the back. Ooh, got autograph one. I don't know about him. I gotta look him up. See if they're worth anything. Got a cool autograph. It's a good pile. Anniversary. Most of your anniversaries, anyways. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, that's really interesting me in this other pile. So you collect baseball cards? I haven't really collected baseball cards since I was like in my early teens, mid-teens, around that time back in the late 80s and early 90s. I gotta go do my cards, buying a bunch of, Ken Griffey Jr. rookie cards. Let's see this package. Try to find. Oh yeah, actually Squincy. He's the grandfather of Cal Squincy. He's playing really well with the Giants. It took him a while to get to the major leagues, but this guy had definitely become a hero of the Giants. I hope he plays a long time with his career. I think he had like last 2020 he had like he led the league in triples, 10 home runs, short season. This guy took almost like a good amount of time in the minors. Been a good pile. Those guy here, a bunch of. I guess another card. This is a team card for Yeah, they had a problem with the Coba last year. A lot of 40 players got sick. Oh, this is interesting. Whoa, look at Jack. Dick did this out. Willie Mays. Biggest, one of the famous Giants ever. Look at that. It's kind of cool anniversary. That'd be in the good pile. Let me take the back. Well, I got an autograph card. Oh, this guy's good. I've seen a couple on his YouTube videos. This guy's an excellent catcher. I think the free agent this year or something like that. This guy be great. This guy definitely a future Hall of Famer. My my prediction. Been a good pile. I don't see anybody worth. Got those check. It's been a while. Let's see what's going on here. I'm another package. I want to do like opening our 80 cards. One card fell down. Let me see here. Oh, fine. Aaron Judge. Good card. Aaron Judge. Future Hall of Famer. This guy is a monster. Big guy. Big old monster. Was he like 6'7"? Had 52 home runs his second season. Broke Mark Aguirre's rookie year record, I think. And the rest has been hitting 27. Had like 9 home runs in his first season. But this guy's a monster. It's kind of funny to see him next to other players. Let's see here, Aaron. Oh. Trying to find some Giants. Got the Slam per game Slam. Got a bunch of Padres players. I'll go with Padres game one of these days. Get my little card first time here. I believe we're looking at hardware. Oh, their card. Let's collect these things. T27 could be not much got that play. We got Red Sox. JD Martinez autograph. That's kind of cool. Oh, this is beautiful. Gotta look it up, see how much I got our autograph. Chris, right? I heard good things about him. I don't know much about him. There's a YouTube channel. He goes to a college game. They're trying to explain to he's from Australia or something, but they kind of recognize him. The team say, I think that's him. But I heard good things about that guy. Future star, Velvet, very good. Maybe a good pile. Red Sox, Blue Jays, Jones, Ryan. So I got like 3 packages to go. Oh, I didn't finish these things. Sorry, gotta slip my mind. I don't see. I already did these. See what's going on here. Oh, this one filled. Like the Millers. What I got here? We got Giants. Oh, Bargain. Bozzy again. Pretty Hall of Famer. This isn't the Giants could be last season this year in 2021. I hope he plays a lot more than that. Maybe replace Belt, the first baseman. Let me see here. Oh, this guy. I hear a lot of great things about this guy. Second year card. His father played baseball. Let's see here. We got a bunch of team players. Oh, one. Oh, this guy feature. This is like derby card. This guy has a weird stance. He does a little dance at the pitcher, trying to entice him. Juan Soto. This guy moved in the ranks really fast. You know, started like 16 or something. He just moved up really quickly. Oh my God, he had like 34 home runs. This guy, you know, young player, went to the World Series. More of the Detroit Tigers. Yeah, I'm glad the Giants swept them in the World Series that one year. Ooh, this is different. Grand Slam drawing. Ooh, it comes with grandson drawing. You gotta look it up. Over here, ran a prize, home run derby, ran prize, home run derby. Good. I have my rewards card. Someone will take it from me. Well, Gary Cole. He's married with one of the Giants players' sisters. He used to be the Pirates. Autograph card. Yeah, I think he's cheating. Something to do with a spin or something. He's using kind of lube or something for his spin. Oh, this guy is cool. Interesting player. He's with the Dodgers now. This guy, whew, very tense player. I think the one game, I think he was with the Cleveland Indians, and he got frustrated. And he threw the ball. They're about to replace him with a different pitcher, and he threw the ball over the center field. Kind of scared some players. And kind of like, you don't do that. You're a professional player. Okay, I got the last package. Coming out right now, boys and girls. Have a little patience with me. I'm new at this. Probably fragile. Let me see here. Chris Taylor. Oh, this guy. Let me see. Motor City Mashers. Detroit. One of these I'll go to Detroit for a game. I'm gonna find some players I know. Make these videos not too long. The light is killing me. Champard. Got Dodgers. Hands up. Mask up. Oh, Mookie. Oh, he's with the Red Sox. Why had to be with the Dodgers? They won the World Series last year. Oh, you got history card, 20 bunts. Well, this is a new one. Oh, this guy pitched during the World Series. They took him out too soon. They could have beat the Dodgers. Autograph. Card. Derek. So that's it for this one. Got some good cards. This one. Best Hank Aaron. That's awesome. Congratulations. You know, ones. These were my top picks. All those packets. Oh, one Sato. This guy, if he keeps his nose clean, he'll be a good player. Autograph. Last one. The big thing. Let me know. Subscribe to my channel. We do different things. We try to do different things for this channel. Make it very interesting for you folks. We travel, blogging, everything, viewing TV shows, movies, and open baseball cards now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I forgot to show this one. This is definitely a good play to have. Right, let me know what you think of my channel. Hope I get better doing this. This channel has over almost 800 videos so far, and hope we do 1,000 more. Thank you very much.